In today's video, I'm going to show you a really simple way to make guacamole. We're using avocados, red onion, and a little bit of chili. First of all, we're going to half the avocados. If they're a little bit overripe like that, that's okay. Perfect for making guacamole, actually. If they're perfectly ripe like this one, that's good too. So one method is to just squeeze it straight into the bowl. So squeeze it in, or you can scoop out the avocado, slice it up, and chop it up into chunks into the bowl. So it's up to you if you want it slightly chunky or more mashed up like that. Into that we're going to add in our chopped onion. So we're going to add in our chopped red onion, chopped chili, so I'm adding in half a chopped green chili. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of lime zest. And the juice of a lime. This will stop the avocados from going too brown. To finish off the guacamole, I'm going to add in some salt and some black pepper. And then you can mix it up. If you want a more smoother guacamole, you can squish down all of your avocado, or if you like it a little bit more chunky, just stir it all through together. You can also add coriander if you like. Now, the next tip is to keep your guacamole fresh for that little bit longer. You can add back in the seeds of the two avocado, and they will help stop it from going brown too quickly, because you can't make this too far in advance. So there you have fresh homemade guacamole made in minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get lots of different recipes and tips. Check out how to tell if an avocado is ripe or other recipes on my YouTube channel. Thanks a million. We'll see you soon.